All tradable securities must be assigned a CUSIP number. All trade-able securities must be assigned a CUSIP number before it can be offered to investors. Birth certificates and Social Security applications are converted into government securities, assigned a CUSIP number, grouped into lots and then are marketed as a mutual fund investment. Upon maturity, the profits are moved into a government Cestui Que Trust, and if you are still alive, the certified documents are reinvested. It is the funds contained in this Cestui Que Trust that the judge, clerk and county prosecutor are really after or interested in. This trust actually pays all of your debts, but nobody tells you that because the elite consider those assets to be their property and the Federal Reserve System is responsible for the management of those investments. Social Security, SSI, SSD, Medicare and Medicaid are all financed by the trust. The government makes you pay taxes and a portion of your wages supposedly to pay for these services, which they can borrow at any time for any reason, since they cannot access the Cestui Que Trust to finance their wars or to bail out Wall Street and their patron corporations. The public is encouraged to purchase all kinds of insurance protection when the trust actually pays for all physical damages, medical costs, new technology and death benefits. The hype to purchase insurance is a ploy to keep us in poverty and profit off our stupidity, because the Vatican owns the controlling interest in all insurance companies. You may receive a monthly statement from a mortgage company, loan company or utility company, which usually has already been paid by the trust. Almost all of these corporate businesses double dip and hope that you have been conditioned well enough by their credit scams to pay them a second time. Instead of paying that statement next time, sign it approved and mail it back to them. If they then contact you about payment, ask them to send you a true bill instead of a statement and you will be glad to pay it. A statement documents what was due and paid, whereas a true bill represents only what is due. Banks and utility companies have direct access into these Cestui Que Trusts, and all they needed was your name, Social Security number and signature.